What's going on, guys? Sergey Protaz here with RC Hobbies Pro, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to change brake pads on a 2011 Toyota Camry. Let's do it! First thing you want to do is jack up the car a little bit and then grab your little gun here and go to town. Take off the wheel first. Alright, let's start removing these lug nuts. Move this out of the way. Alright, I've got drill slotted rotors and some power stop brakes, but it's been giving me some issues because I've been driving up in those mountains, you know what I'm saying? And they don't stop as good anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change these brake pads here. I'm going to keep the rotors because they're beautiful. Alright, so the brake pads I got are Advias OEM Toyota Camry Ultra Premium ceramic brake pads. These cost me $100. They're $160 regular, and they're the best you can get. So let's put them in. All right. So what you're gonna want to do is grab a 14 mil wrench and take off this screw right here, and there's also another one right there. Take those off. I'll show you how in a second. Alright, got the second one out. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to pop off this hub here. It should just slide out. There it goes. Come on, you little sucker. There it goes. Perfect. You just want to take that and set it aside. Just like that. Alright. Now let's just bring this light up over here. Oh, the brake pad's already coming out. Now they do have a little extra thread on them, but I'm gonna change them out because they're too soft and they're not giving me that response I want. So that's basically, it goes in here on these clamps. You just pull it out and Bob's your uncle. Same thing on the other side. Pull it out and Bob's your uncle. And now you've removed your brake pads, you're ready for your new ones. When you get brake pads, they come with these flanges, but you don't really need to change them, they're fine. If they're a little bit like damaged or whatever, you can replace them, but I'm just gonna leave mine in. And yeah. Alright, let's put this brake pad in. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put some grease on the edges here for it to slide in and make good contact here, but I'm gonna skip that step and just gonna put this brake pad in. So it should be fairly simple. Line it up edge to edge. You'll see it. There's a longer edge here and a shorter edge here. So let's just slide it in to place. Could be a little tricky, but I just did the other side and it worked out great. There we go. And then this one goes in, give it a little punch. Ah, come on. Should just slide in. Give it a little love tap. There we go. And it's in. You can squish them together more. And that's the first one. Also, when you're going to be putting back your brakes, they come with these little hooks, and they hook on one in here and one in your other one, just to keep them in place. So let's finish up here putting this other one in and we're good. What else to tell you? For keeping your rotor in place, you know how it's kind of loose, you can just use your lug nut screw it on, put 3 on, and you're good to go. You can just set it in, see how it's setting into place. That way you don't have any trouble with it moving and not moving. And then you just grab another one, screw it on, and then yeah, it'll go into place. It'll be nice and sturdy. And then this will go in, put the other one in, and you're good. There we go. Both in place, nice and tight. Now that you mounted your brand new brake pads, all you gotta do is put these clips in. Again, those are those V clips, and they keep your brake pads together. It's kind of a funny system, but whatever, it works. And then you put this one into here, another V clip, kind of clamps it together. Alright, that's how you do it. See, it gives it compression basically. Then you just slide your it's not gonna slide. Okay. What's gonna happen here is your cylinder's pushed in too much and it's not letting it fit in between the gap. So what you're gonna have to do is put a special tool in here. I don't advise using channel locks, but people do. I'll show you the tool in a second. You put it here and you put a piece of wood here and you push the cylinder in, and that way it gives you a better gap and you'll be able to push it onto your brake calipers, and then you'll be able to tighten up your bolts. So I'm gonna grab that tool and I'll be back. Hopefully you guys can see this thing, caliper thing. So this is the tool. It had a little circle thing on here, but I lost it. So what you're gonna do is put a piece of wood in here, and then you're just gonna unwrap this a little bit. Put that there. Oh, it's all sliding. Okay, you can put that there. Just gonna keep pushing it back. And one thing you gotta do is watch your brake fluid level as well when you do this. Look up there, we're good. Bring this in all the way. These are brand new OEM, so the cylinder is most likely going to have to go all the way up. Alright, now that it's all the way up, I think we'll be able to finish what we started. Yeah, it's all the way in. Turn this around. Should be able to pop right in to place. There it goes. All right. Let's see here. It's almost in. You just got to line it up with this hole here. All right, it's in. And now we just grab our bolts and we bolt it back. So 14 mil up here, and that's good. There's also, if you want to take this bracket off, it's a 17 millimeter, and the screw is, I don't know if you can see, but it's right there. But that's if you want to take it off and paint it like I did here. So yeah, basically put the 14 mil in and you're good to go. All right, so basically you're done your brake change. I'm not gonna put the tire on. I'm just gonna start the car, give it a couple pumps, make sure the fluid level goes back to normal, and then I'm gonna put the tire back on, lower the car, lug nuts, that fun stuff. I'm gonna take the car out for a spin, and hopefully everything works well. And that's it. That's all you gotta do for changing brakes. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like if you liked, and comment if you have any questions. Until next time, до свидания.